first drive in the Prelude. There is a gasket leak in the exhaust. We have ordered a new gasket, but at the moment this is the first drive of the Prelude. We're taking it to the MOT station to get it MOT'd, so then we can get it fully registered onto the road. It does say 91,733 on the miles. That is pretty low for a Honda Prelude that's over, I'd say over 25 years old, probably come to 30 years old now. Completely stock, and this is a great example of a 2.2 litre VTI, and I was looking forward to driving it. Right, we haven't got in the VTEC yet, but it's crazy. Come on. I know we're not going anywhere, the caliper needs to be fixed. No matter how fast I try to go, the car is pulling me back. Okay. H22 power! What? We are in the highway where people drive fast. Whoa! Okay, alright. Okay, we survived. We didn't fly in the air. Let's get back to the HQ before something bad happens. Come on, VTEC, turn up! Stopping this car going fast. Can't explain to you guys, but it just feels like when I press brake, the car goes like that when I'm pressing braking. Like I can smell the caliper, like smells like it's sticky. Hopefully that will free up the caliper, and if it doesn't, just have to keep on driving.